Last two practice problems. I want the y by itself. This positive 7 has to go. How do we get rid of positive 7? Subtract 7. The 7's cancel each other out. Bring down the y. Negative 3 minus 7. Signs are the same. We add these numbers together, and we keep their sign. To check it, I plug in a negative 10. Their signs are different, so I subtract. And I keep the sign of the larger, so negative 10. I have more negatives than positives, so it checks out. Final answer, y equals negative 10. Last one, practice problem 6. I want the x by itself. It's attached to a negative 4. That negative 4 has to go. I'm going to do the opposite and add 4. Those cancel out. 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. So I think x is 52. So I have a negative 4, and I'm adding a positive 52. Since their signs are different, I subtract. 52 minus 4 is 48. I have more positives than negatives, so it's a positive 48. Checks out. Final answer, x equals 52. Time for your exit ticket. Show your work, check your work. You are ready.